Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel How to Speak in English Language, and this is Nirupa. Guys, today I am going to talk about something which is really important and very important for us to know. So what is that? Let me tell you. That is fear. You have faced this in your life most of the time. So in this video we are going to talk about what is fear and what is the biggest fear of us, means what is the biggest fear of human being. So before any further ado, let's get into the video. Guys, what is fear? Have you ever thought? So you have gotten, first of all, let me just clear that what is fear. Fear is an emotion of us that rise in response to perceived danger or threats. Yes, but sometimes it is real, but most of the time it is fake. That suppose that I just want to give you some examples so that you can understand fear very well. Suppose that you are an employee and yesterday you did some mistake was done by you yesterday. Okay, so you knew and you did request to honor that sorry, misgiving I did this mistake. So they accepted your request. But although you are thinking that if they remove me, if they take any other employee after replacing me, then what will happen, and other fear. Suppose that tomorrow you have to give test, you have prepared, although you are just thinking that whether I will get good marks or not, what will happen, whether I will get good marks or not. And suppose that you are under the weather, so it happens with everyone, that whether I will leave or not, whether I will become well just earlier or not. So where most of the time we get this emotion. So have you ever thought, guys, from where it is rising? Because it is not in reality, and it is bothering you, it is distracting you, right? So we should know the solution for it, but before this we should know that from where it is rising. So I think it is rising from your mind. Yes. And what is mind? What is mind? Mind is your memory. So if you just remove your memory, so you will free from these all thoughts, right? You will just free from this all thought that is coming, that is bothering you, isn't it? If you guys are really want to live in reality means free from thoughts, free from mind. So it means mind will be in your control, but you will be not in the control of your mind. So does it happens? Yet yes, it happens, but how? So you have to just accept this, that whatever is in this mind, this is really bakwas. Yes. Have you this power to accept? Yes, this is very biggest challenge, because this is not really a easy task. This is very momentous task. Yes. Have you this power and strength to accept that whatever are in this mind, like related to religion, family, and friends, these are only bakwas. Can you accept this? Like, there is one quote that has written in the Bhagavad Gita that I studied. Like, Lord Krishna was saying that, like, don't accept, attachment comes when we accept return from that. Yes, that I have given you two chocolate, and like I am thinking that when you will give, when you will give, when you will give. So this is called attachment, right? So like, don't accept whatever you have done for that person. Don't expect that, right? So like, if you just like start like free your mind from everything, you will not get fear. And what is the biggest fear of human being? If you see the biggest fear of human being, so what is the biggest fear of human being? So that is like, if I die, like if I say, can you climb this mountain? Like, there will be two thought. Recently, two thought will gonna pop up in your mind, that like whether I will climb or not. And if I die between that, so what will happen? Right? So like, from where this thought has rise? From your memory. And what is memory? Memory is mind. So why it has pop up in your mind? Because somewhere you have not control it. Somewhere your mind is controlling you. And that what I'm telling you, that these are only illusion. These are illusions. So if you just want to overcome out from this illusion, so you have to understand the reality. If you guys are really actually live in reality, so you will have to accept this, that whatever is inside this, these are only bakwas, nothing else. Yes. And like, one day everyone has to die, everyone has to leave this world. Although you are scaring, you are not allowing yourself to push toward, you are going back. Like 99% people are not becoming successful in their life. This is the main problem. Like, when they thought to start, their subconscious mind tell them that like whether you will do or not, and without trying you say I cannot do. Like, and due to sometime, most of the time, because of the fear, we don't start. Like, why? Like, you are unable to speak in English language. What is the main reason behind it? That you are somewhere lacking, you have some fear that if I just start speaking in English language, and if I just do mistakes, so people will laugh on me. So what is this? This is a fear. And from where it is coming? This is a kind of a thought that is arising from your mind and just from your memory. These all thought have connected to your mind, to your memory. So just you have to understand that whatever is in this is only bakwas, nothing else. Then you will grow in your life. Yes, because when I was in just 5th standard, so there was one teacher and he taught me that never scare from fear, because fear is a kind of a emotion. And if you just want to control this is only illusion. If you see clearly, so this is only illusion. And if you just want to overcome out from it, so just like, you have to accept this, that whatever is this in my mind, these are only illusion. Yes, guys. And I just want to tell you that don't fear. Like, fear is a lot. Fear is a lot. That like, when do we just like, suppose that like at night you are going on your roof alone. Okay, so like, you are going, so you are epiphany that someone is behind me. So who is that? And we started running too fast because of the fear, but no one is there. Like, you're like, this subconscious mind is like creating that thought. Yes. And you like, one like, do this, that if it is happening with you, so like turn back, and like, you have to ask, who is that? Come at the front of me and show me, who are you? Like, this is your fear, that this subconscious mind, because somewhere you have not controlled it. So if you just want to actually live a happy life, you have to just control it. That's it. So hope guys you have enjoyed this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. And if this video is helpful for you, so write in the comment section that it is wonderful for you, and don't forget to like my video. Have a nice day.